Hi guys, ang camera na diri. Sorry guys, medyo weird ang akong video karon, but I'm gonna be playing a game today. That's why I'm in my laptop. My laptop is in my keyboard, so that's why I look like I was looking there. But I will look over here. Okay, I will be playing a very familiar game. I've been playing this game like since high school pa ko, and I don't know what year was that, like 2012, 2013. Like this game. Kapangit na ako mag-vlog. Siya Tetris. So nakita na ako ni siya sa TikTok. Kadaghay nagduwa ani. And I'm like, I need to play that game. Gimingon ako ana nga game. Sige ako pangita ani nga game all over the internet. But lahi ra dyan siya. Similar ni siya sa Tetris Battle. Pero ang pangalan niya, the name of the game is not Risfos. Right? It's so weird, but and let's see if maayo pa ba ko or not. We're playing a two-player battle. Start na ta guys. Kulbaan ako. Sumura ra gid siya Tetris guys. Okay lang gid sa akong kadua, pero let's go. Uy, saan man ni? Uh, uh, oh my god. Paano na? Nabala na ako guys. Ana. Oh. Okay. 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 Not bad, guys. Not bad, guys.
Tetris.
Oh no. Double, 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 double. Oh my god, guys. I win! Wow! Not bad, guys. Uy, nakamata mo na. So, maraton, ta nalingara mo sa akong games, guys. Let me know kung gusto pa mo makakita sa akong mag-girla. Charot! Tamot bitaw. Hope you guys enjoy my playing of Tetris Battle. Nakamata na akong anak. Here you go. Bye!